Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk English, the place where you learn English easily, step by step, with no stress. My name is Sophie, and I am so happy you are here today. With me, as always, is my wonderful friend, Alex. Hello, Alex. How are you feeling today?
Hello, Sophie. Hello, everyone. I am feeling very good today. I am excited, but also calm. I think today's topic will really help our listeners.
Oh, I feel the same way. Before we begin, I want to say something important. If you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to Talk English. It helps us so much. And don't forget to like this video. It means a lot to us.
Yes, thank you. And today, Sophie, we have a wonderful topic. We are talking about something very special: 30 days to speak English naturally. Daily practice.
Yes, 30 days. That is 1 month. And in 1 month, with daily practice, you can change the way you speak English. You can feel more confident. You can feel more natural.
Exactly. And I want to say something very important right now. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little bit every day. Small steps, Sophie, right?
Yes, small steps. Alex, many people want to speak English well. They want to speak naturally like a native speaker, but they feel nervous. They feel scared. They think, I need to study for many hours every day.
That is true. Many people feel this pressure, but the truth is, you do not need many hours. You need consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly, every day, even if it is just a little bit.
Oh, I love that word, consistency. So, Alex, let me ask you, if someone wants to speak English naturally, what is the first thing they should do?
Good question, Sophie. The first thing is very simple. Listen. Listen to English every single day. It can be a podcast like this one, it can be a song, it can be a video, but listen every day.
Yes, listening is so important. And you know what I think? I think people should listen to things they enjoy. If you like music, listen to English songs. If you like stories, listen to English stories. Make it fun.
Absolutely, because if you enjoy it, you will continue. You will not stop, and that is the key. Do not stop. Even on difficult days, listen for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Everyone has 5 minutes, right? Okay, so we listen every day. What is the second step, Alex?
The second step is speaking. But Sophie, I know many people feel afraid to speak. They think, my English is not good enough. People will laugh at me.
Oh, that is so sad. Nobody should feel that way. Alex, can you tell our listeners something? Tell them it's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, listen carefully, everyone. Making mistakes is normal. Making mistakes is good. When you make a mistake, you learn. Native speakers also make mistakes, so please do not be afraid.
Thank you, Alex. So, speaking every day, but how? How can someone practice speaking if they are alone, if they do not have a teacher or a friend who speaks English?
Another good question. There are many ways. First, you can speak to yourself. Yes, to yourself. For example, in the morning, look in the mirror. Say, good morning. Today is Monday. I feel happy. Simple sentences.
I love that idea. Speaking to yourself is not strange. It's practice, and nobody is listening, so you can relax. You can make mistakes. You can try again.
Exactly. Another way is to read out loud. Take a book or an article and read it with your voice. Listen to your pronunciation. Notice the sounds. This is very helpful.
Yes, reading out loud. This helps you with pronunciation, with rhythm, and with confidence. Alex, can you give an example? Read something out loud for us.
Of course. Let me read this simple sentence. The weather today is beautiful. The sun is shining and I feel happy. See, every word is clear. Every word has space.
Beautiful. Did you hear that, everyone? Alex spoke slowly. He gave every word time. This is how you should practice. Slowly, clearly, with patience.
Thank you, Sophie. Now, let me ask you something. What about vocabulary? Many people want to learn new words, but they forget them quickly. How can they remember?
Oh, vocabulary. Yes, this is a challenge. I think the best way is to use new words immediately. Don't just read a word, use it. Say it in a sentence, write it down, repeat it many times.
Yes, repetition. Repetition means saying something again and again. This is how your brain remembers. For example, if you learn the word confident, you should say, I feel confident. I am confident when I speak English. Confidence is important.
Perfect example, Alex. And you know what else helps? Context. Context means the situation around a word. If you learn a word in a sentence, in a story, you will remember it better than just learning the word alone.
Absolutely. So, everyone, when you learn a new word, ask yourself, how can I use this word in my life? When would I say this? This makes it real. This makes it yours.
I love that. Okay, so we have listening, speaking, vocabulary. What about grammar, Alex? Many people worry about grammar. They think, I need to know all the rules before I can speak.
Ah, grammar. Sophie, this is a big topic. Grammar is important, yes, but grammar is not everything. You can communicate without perfect grammar. Native speakers often break grammar rules when they speak.
That is so true. And you know what I tell people? Learn grammar slowly. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with simple grammar, present tense, past tense, basic sentence structure.
Yes, and learn grammar through examples, not just rules. When you see a sentence, notice the pattern. Notice how the words go together. This is natural learning.
Natural learning, that is what we want. We want you to learn English the way children learn their first language, by listening, by trying, by making mistakes, by trying again.
Exactly. Sophie, can we talk about daily routine? I think this is very important. If someone wants to speak English naturally in 30 days, they need a routine, a plan.
Yes, a routine. A routine means doing the same things at the same time every day. It creates a habit, and habits are powerful. So, Alex, what does a good daily English routine look like?
Good question. Let me give an example. A simple routine. In the morning, listen to a podcast for 10 minutes, maybe this podcast, Talk English. At lunchtime, read something in English for 10 minutes. In the evening, practice speaking for 5 minutes.
That is so simple. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. That is only 25 minutes total. Everyone can do this. And if you do this every day for 30 days, you will see results.
Yes, you will. But Sophie, some days are difficult. Some days people are tired, they are busy. They think, I will skip today, I will practice tomorrow.
Oh, I understand. Life is busy. Life is hard sometimes. But Alex, what would you say to someone who feels this way?
I would say do something small. Even if you are very tired, listen to one English song, read one paragraph, speak 3 sentences. Something is always better than nothing. Do not break your routine.
Yes, do not break your routine. Because when you break your routine once, it's easier to break it again, and then the habit disappears. So even on difficult days, do a little bit.
Exactly. And you know what helps? Tracking your progress. Write down every day. Today, I practiced English. When you see 30 days written down, you will feel proud. You will feel accomplished.
Oh, I love that idea, tracking your progress. This is like a small celebration every day. You can use a notebook or a calendar or an app on your phone. Just mark each day.
Yes, and after 30 days, look back. See how far you have come. You will be surprised. You will notice that English feels easier. Words come faster. You understand more.
That is the magic of daily practice. Alex, can we talk about mistakes again? I think this is very important. Many people stop practicing because they make mistakes and feel embarrassed.
Yes, let's talk about this. Everyone, please listen carefully. Mistakes are not the enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. When you make a mistake, your brain learns. Your brain says, oh, this is not correct. Next time, I will do it differently.
That is so beautiful. Mistakes are your teacher. I want everyone to remember that. And you know what? Native speakers make mistakes too. I make mistakes. Alex makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Absolutely. I make mistakes all the time, and that's okay. The important thing is to continue. Do not let fear stop you. Do not let embarrassment stop you.
Yes, be kind to yourself. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. 30 days is a wonderful start, but remember, language learning is a journey, not a race.
That is right, Sophie, a journey. And on this journey, you will have good days and difficult days. Some days English will feel easy. Other days it will feel hard. This is normal.
Very normal. And on the difficult days, remember why you started. Why do you want to speak English? Maybe for your job, maybe for travel, maybe to make new friends. Remember your reason.
Yes, your reason is your motivation. Motivation is the feeling that makes you continue. When you feel tired, think about your goal. Think about speaking English with confidence. Think about understanding movies without subtitles.
Oh, understanding movies without subtitles, that is a wonderful goal. And you know what, Alex? After 30 days of daily practice, many people notice they understand more. Words that were difficult before now sound clear.
Yes, because your brain is training. Every day, your brain is getting stronger at English, like going to the gym for your mind. You don't see results immediately, but after 30 days, you see the change.
I love that comparison. English practice is like going to the gym. You need consistency, you need patience, and you need to believe in yourself. Alex, what about motivation? What if someone loses motivation after 15 days?
That's a great question. Losing motivation is normal. It happens to everyone. My advice is this: change something. Change what you were listening to. Find a new podcast. Watch a different type of video. Make it interesting again.
Yes, variety. Variety means different things. If you listen to the same thing every day, you might get bored. So change it. Keep it fresh. Keep it fun.
Exactly. And also celebrate small wins. Did you understand a full sentence today? Celebrate. Did you speak without stopping? Celebrate. Did you remember a new word? Celebrate. These small wins keep you motivated.
Oh, I love that. Celebrate small wins. Because every small win is progress. Every small win brings you closer to your goal. Alex, we're almost at the end. What final advice would you give to someone starting this 30-day challenge?
Final advice. Okay. First, start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Even if you only practice for 5 minutes today, start now. Second, be consistent. Do not skip days. Third, be kind and kind to yourself. And fourth, enjoy the process.
Enjoy the process. That is so important. Learning English should not feel like punishment. It should feel like an adventure, a journey. And remember, everyone, you are not alone. We are here with you. Talk English is here to support you every single day.
Yes, we believe in you. We know you can do this. 30 days to speak English naturally. It's possible. You just need to start and you need to continue.
And you know what? After you finish these 30 days, don't stop. Continue. Make English a part of your daily life forever, because that is how you truly become fluent. That is how you speak naturally.
Absolutely, Sophie. So, everyone listening right now, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, are you ready to start this 30-day challenge? What is your goal? What do you want to improve?
Yes, please write in the comments. We read your comments. We love to hear from you. And if this video helped you, please like it. Please subscribe to Talk English. We make new videos to help you learn English easily with no stress.
And remember, learning English is a journey. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, practice every day, speak with confidence, and remember, you are doing a wonderful job.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing. We believe in you.
Goodbye. See you soon.